Today, my topic is The Last Lesson, written by Alphonse Daudy, French novelist and short story writer. Actually, this lesson is set during the Franco-Prussian War, 1870 to 71, when Germany defeated France and captured its two provinces, Alsace and Lorraine. Then a letter came from Berlin to introduce German language rather than French language. M. Hamel, who was a very dedicated and devoted teacher, was very upset to hear this news, and then he gave the last lesson. He gave his last lecture to the people and students of France. Actually, when order came from Berlin to introduce German language, आदेश आ गया कि अब जो है कि यहाँ पर फ्रेंच भाषा के बजाय जो है जर्मन भाषा को पढ़ाया जाएगा, नया शिक्षक आएगा। तो एम हेमिल ये जानते थे कि जो बैंक्विशर्स होते हैं और बैंक्विस्ट पीपल के साथ किस तरह का व्यवहार करते हैं। द फर्स्ट अटैक इज अटैक ऑन लैंग्वेज। Vanquishers always impose their mother language to the people of the defeated country. Same thing happened there. यही चीज वहां भी हुई। तो एम हेमिल जब पढ़ा रहे थे बच्चों को, समझाने के बता रहे थे कि भाई क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, तो उस दिन की न्यूज ये थी कि भाई आज के बाद जब कल नया शिक्षक आ जाएगा तो जर्मन भाषा को शुरू किया जाएगा। इट वॉज वेरी शॉकिंग पॉइंट फॉर एम हेमिल एंड अदर पीपल ऑफ फ्रांस। देन लिटिल फ्रेंच वॉज ट्राइंग टू escape from school, and anyhow he reached there. Then he saw unusual thing in classroom. The backbenches were full of the people of the respected people of Alsace and Lorraine. M. Hamel was wearing his new garments and he was addressing and giving them his last lecture. At first he told history, told about the importance of mother language. Then he taught little kids ba, bi, bu, etc. Then he was telling more and more about the preciousness of mother language. He was trying to tell them that the people should preserve their mother language in their hearts, and he was trying to make them understand about the importance of mother language to get freedom again. Whenever people are enslaved, as long as they hold their mother language, it is as if they have key of prison. Just when everybody heard this, they realized the importance of mother language for them. They wanted to learn everything in one stroke. And M. Hamel was also trying to do so. The story goes in this way And when M. Hamil was telling about the importance of mother language, then the Persian soldiers who were in their drill, and when they came back, M. Hamil heard the sound of the tools. He wanted to tell something more, but it choked his thought. So he could not utter single word. Then he took a long piece of chalk and wrote Vive la France. And he made gesture to dismiss the school. This is a story. Whenever we are going to write critical appreciation of this lesson, we should note down some points. First is introduction. Second, theme. Third is plot. Fourth, language model. With the help of these points, we can write critical appreciation of any lesson. And we can solve long answer questions related to this lesson. Suppose we are talking about this lesson, the last lesson, and we will write about Alphonse Daudet, French novelist, short story writer, and when he said this lesson during Franco-Prussian War, 1870 or 71, and this lesson tells us what is the impact of war in school lives, in people's life, in the life of people. So same thing happened when Germany defeated, Prussia defeated France and captured its two provinces, Alsace and Lorraine. What happened with them? Theme: importance of mother language for every man. Plot: story. What is the story of this lesson? कि भाई इस पार्ट की स्टोरी क्या है? जब जर्मनी ने फ्रांस को हराया, उसके दो प्रांतों को कब्जा लिया, और उसके बाद एक लेटर आया कि भाई यहाँ पर अब जर्मन के बजाय फ्रेंच के बजाय जर्मन भाषा पढ़ाई जाएगी। तो एम हैमिल ने वहां के लोगों को किस तरह से एड्रेस किया, और एड्रेस करते करते वो लोगों के दिमाग में इस बात को डालना चाह रहे थे कि भाई हाउ कैन दे ओवरकम दिस प्रॉब्लम। भाषा भाई सरल है, इमोशनल है, और किस तरह से भाषा का इजीली वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड। तो मॉरल यह है कि भाई मदर लैंग्वेज इज की टू फ्रीडम। इस तरह से thus we can discuss these lessons one by one, and when I will prepare next video on this lesson, then we will discuss other related terms. Thank you.